what is the exact honest reality actually as of now in the market? There are lots of myths, and is it really kind of the things happening in the market? People says that they have written the entire application with one particular prompt. Is that correct? People says about replacing the developers. Most of the part that I want to cover as part of today's kind of discussions is we will be actually working on our Thrive with AI platform itself, which you have used for enrolling for your webinar, and try to kind of find out what are the options that we can actually utilize using Claude Code, and is there really kind of a value additions using that. Now, if I talk about the blueprint, how it works in the kind of Claude Code. So the thing is how it works. We understand, and how we understand basically it's for you as well, because if you are assigned to a big code base to understand the code and all these things, I think so we actually generating the Mermaid architecture designs from the pages, APIs, libs and services, and it was actually able to kind of generate the Mermaid. Very first thing is kind of a init command actually creates the claude.md files. It reads the readme file, and now once it's kind of a done, we can enhance this claude.md files by our own business logic. First thing we want to do is kind of write some sort of kind of hooks. The first thing we want to write a skill I was talking about. Let's say I want to actually do a security review for my entire code base. So now I have started the Claude Code again just to reload the skills and all. Okay, it was able to find out 7 patterns. One of the very first thing that it actually identified is the bug, and that is very critical for our website, right? Now we want to move to a feature development. One of the feature development we want to kind of do thing. What do we want? We want a multi-turn interview systems. That's how our agentic systems is working. It's all automatically kind of working on your own PR, automatically reviewing on its own PR. It's kind of looking from a lens of the devil's advocate, and it's trying to fix those up again. As all the kind of pre-checks are passed, I am kind of merging this. Hope I'll be able to kind of test the feature on after deployment as well. Basically, we'll be able to select the target roles, difficulty, target company. This is the feature it has built, and I have to kind of paste the answer. I can't write anyway, and then based on that, it will actually ask me follow-up questions. Now you can see I have talked about the CNN. Now it's asking for deep dive questions about where your CNN model works and where not, right? Okay, and it created actually the issues because we have the MCP server connected for the GitHub, right? The GitHub issues, right? And the JSON validation and the malformed output. That's the one actually we have faced, and basically our background agent is able to find out that issue. Last thing I want to showcase you that we have 5 tasks. Can we work on these 5 tasks parallelly? Look at this. The background agent started on 104 and 105, and then it started 106. 3 agents has been started, right? I want to showcase you at the very end that what are the PR it has raised, and you can see the 5 pull request has been kind of raised. So this actually give you the glimpse exactly what we will be covering. So from the foundation of Python, then Panda, and there will be NumPy as well. We will little bit cover on the the mathematics part, statistics, probability, linear algebra, and calculus. Those are the part which we want to touch. Otherwise, there won't be any sense of the kind of optimization algorithm we will be talking about. And then we will actually move to the classic machine learning algorithms. These are required for the maybe interview as of now, because we will be mostly kind of deep diving into the deep learning from where the LLM came into the picture. So CNN and RNN is the priority for us, and we will be actually covering the LLM and all, including the NLP and transformer. This is the source from where LLM came into the picture, and then LLM fundamentals, prompt engineering, maybe not LangChain, LangGraph, and we will implement a RAG, fine tuning, and all those things, agentic tooling as well. and you will be able to basically drive it through the production delivery, production deployment as well. At the very end, basically will be uh, anyway, the production deployment will come up with the monitoring custom, and you will be able to kind of post it somewhere. And then this is again important, that how you will be utilizing the Claude Code or GitHub Copilot. This was 1 hour of kind of time over here, but we'll be spending 2 days, 1.5 and 1.5 with all the hands-on practices as well.